SVR IAS Academy welcomes you to the online video lectures for IAS examination. ComeOnIndia.com is our website. Today's date is 11th July 2017. We received requests from various students to restart the handwritten notes once again. So we are starting the handwritten notes from today onwards. Today we are going to cover 5 to 6 topics. We will discuss about it one by one. First topic we are going to discuss is about Global Foreign Exchange Committee. Our handwritten notes will be not only for prelims examination and also for the mains examination. Before discussing this topic, let's understand what is forex market. In India, we are using rupee as a currency. If you go to Pakistan, they are using Pakistan rupee, and if you travel further, you can encounter different currencies used in the different countries. For example, in America, dollar is the currency. Today's world is globalized world. One country's demands are fulfilled by other country. So in the decentralized era, or you can say that in the globalized era, exchange between the two currencies becomes absolute necessary. For that, a market should be there. That market is called as forex market, or simply you can say foreign exchange market. In this market, one country's currency can be exchanged to other currency. So in that, participants buy, sell different currencies of different countries. So far we discussed what is forex market. In our economy online video lectures, we provided a separate video on the forex market. So far we discussed what is forex market. Transparent and efficient functioning of the forex market is vital to ensure that in the year 2017, few countries joined their hands to form a committee called as Global Foreign Exchange Committee. Global Foreign Exchange Committee. So it is a newly constituted forum of central bankers and experts. What is the main aim of this Global Foreign Exchange Committee? To create and promote a robust, open, liquid and transparent foreign exchange market. The topic came in the news because India is going to be a member of this committee, that is Global Foreign Exchange Committee. So soon India will get a seat in this committee so that we will get access to the transparent functioning of the forex market. The committee has various objectives. We have given only 2 important objectives. One of the objectives of this committee is to promote collaboration and communication among the local foreign exchange committees. So all the local foreign exchange committees should have the communication and collaboration. And second important objective of this committee is to provide a forum for exchanging the views on the market trends and developments. One important prelims point is that who are all the members of Global Exchange Committee? It comprises the public sector representatives and also private sector representatives. So one important point is that not only the central bankers and other public sector representatives, apart from that, private sector representatives also participates in this committee. So far we discussed about Global Foreign Exchange Market in detail. In UPSC you may got a 5 mark or 10 mark question on this topic. Next we will move to the recently announced World Heritage Sites by UNESCO. It is a very important topic for all government examination in India. Recently, nearly 22 sites have been included in the World Heritage Site list by UNESCO. UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. So in this background, let's discuss some important sites. One is Okinoshima Island. Okinoshima Island was declared as one of the World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Now let's discuss about it in detail because it's one of the very important topic for 2018 prelims examination. Okinoshima Island belongs to Japan. One important feature is that it's a men-only island. Traditionally, women are not allowed to go to this island. In this image, you can see the Okinoshima Island where men only allowed to participate in this prayer, and in the map you can see the location of Okinoshima Island. Here it is located. Japan has 4 important islands. From the north to south, please remember the names of the 4 important islands of Japan. It can be asked in the prelims map section. Few important points about the island is that it is the World Heritage Site announced by UNESCO, and the island is located in the Sea of Japan. Take your atlas and go to the East Asia and try to find out the location of Sea of Japan. Apart from that, East China Sea. Apart from that, try to locate the South China Sea because these are often coming in the news. East Sea. East Sea is nothing but another name for Sea of Japan. Apart from Okinoshima Island, one more area has been declared as World Heritage Site by UNESCO is Taputapatia. Taputapatia is the site declared as World Heritage Site by UNESCO, and it is a part of one island called as Radia Island. One important point is Polynesian Triangle. It is often coming in the news. In this image, you can locate the Polynesian Triangle. So on the one side, New Zealand is located, and on the other side, Easter Island is located, and on the third side, Hawaii Island is located. So these 3 sides are joined together and forms a triangle called as Polynesia Triangle. Apart from that, you should also know what is Micronesia and what is Melanesia in the Pacific Ocean. These are the important area from the map reading point of view. So as already you have seen in the map, Polynesian Triangle is a region in the Pacific Ocean, and it has 3 island groups at its corner. One is Hawaii Island, and second is Easter Island, and third is New Zealand Island. So don't forget these 3 names. It can be asked in the prelims examination. Then try to understand the importance of the World Heritage Site status. If a site is declared as the World Heritage Site by UNESCO, it will attract the global attention. So it will promote the preservation of these sites and combat any human driven or natural threats it may face. So awareness among the people will increase to preserve the site. Apart from these 2 areas, there are several other sites has been declared by UNESCO as the World Heritage Site. Let's see the list of important sites. First, in Britain, one district called as Lake District. Lake District is declared as the UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Another important site in the Germany is a cave. The name of the cave is Baden-Württemberg Caves. So Baden-Württemberg Caves in the Germany, and other site is the modernist architecture in Asmara. Asmara is the capital of Eritrea. So Asmara is the capital of Eritrea. Eritrea is located in the Horn of Africa. In our earlier video lectures, in many video lectures, we were emphasizing that Horn of Africa is one of the important area for prelims examination. Few years back, UPSC already asked what are the countries located in the Horn of Africa in the prelims examination. There are 4 countries are located. Take your atlas and go to Horn of Africa and trace what are the 4 countries that are located in the Horn of Africa, like Djibouti, Somalia and other 2 countries. The other site is Los Alerces National Park. Los Alerces National Park, that is located in Argentina, and in Turkey one place called as Aphrodisias Temple. Aphrodisias Temple in Turkey also declared as World Heritage Site. In Brazil, one place called as Rio de Janeiro is also important from the map point of view. Take your atlas and go to the South American continent, go to Brazil and try to locate where Rio de Janeiro is located. It is located in the east coast of the Brazil, nearly in this place. So try to locate it. And in the Rio de Janeiro, an archaeological site named as Valango Wharf Archaeological Site has been declared as UNESCO's World Heritage Site. In Iran, a historic city called Yazd has been declared as World Heritage Site. And finally, another place in the Poland is an underground mine called as Darnowski Gór Underground Mine, also declared as World Heritage Site. If it is asked in the mains examination, you should be able to write the definition of World Heritage Site. It is nothing but a place that is listed by UNESCO as a special cultural or physical significance. These 2 words are important. The site should be listed by UNESCO as a special cultural and physical significance site. Then we can call it as a World Heritage Site. Now we will move to the third topic. Third topic is very important not only for the civil services examination, but also as a common man, we need to know about the importance of this technology or satellites. Rain is coming to India in 2 ways. One is through northeast monsoon and other one is through southwest monsoon. Weather forecasting plays a vital role in saving thousands of lives and thousands of crores of worth of properties. So accurate weather forecasting is one area where we are improving day by day. But still we are behind giving the accurate prediction about weather forecasting. Apart from that, we need to know when volcanic eruptions may occur and other events like fire, and we should also be able to predict the temperature difference between the ocean and surface, ocean and land, because the temperature is not uniform all over the surface of the earth. Land gets heat faster and releases the heat faster, but ocean water takes time to absorb the heat and it will retain the heat maximum. So land gets heated faster and releases the heat faster. These points we already discussed in our geography online video lectures. Now let's move to the topic. The topic of joint polar satellite system. Joint polar satellite system is coming in our mains GS paper 3, where we have science and technology as a syllabus. Within that we can link the topic to application of science and technology, or you can say application of the space technology in our day-to-day life. So the Joint Polar Satellite Program is a program launched by NASA and NOAA, which stands for National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration. Both are US agencies. One is the US Space Agency and another one is US Oceanic Agency. Both together launched this project. The system will have 5 satellites. All the 5 satellites will be placed in the polar orbit. Now you may ask, what is polar orbit? Just draw an outline of the earth and mark the place. It is North Pole and it is South Pole, and try to draw an equator line. And the idea is to keep the satellites near the poles. So these satellites will be called as polar satellites. So when a satellite orbits near the north and south pole, the orbit will be called as polar orbit. What is the advantage of polar orbit? From the polar orbit, satellites can take the pictures of different parts of the earth. If satellite is placed directly above here, it can't take the complete picture of the earth. So from the polar orbits, satellites can take pictures or images of the different parts of earth. That's why satellites of the joint polar satellite system will be placed in the polar orbits, and they can observe the entire earth twice each day. Is another important point. Twice each day they can take the picture. As already we discussed, the system has so many applications. The joint polar satellite system will measure the land and sea surface temperature. While studying the monsoon, especially the Indian monsoon, you might have studied about the difference between the land and sea temperature is one of the main reason for the formation of the monsoon, and low pressure and high pressure area gets created because of the high pressure from the sea. The air blows towards low pressure area over the land. This is a reason for the monsoon occurrence. So by predicting the exact temperatures on the land and sea surface, we can also predict the monsoon. And the satellite will increase the accuracy of the weather forecasting. Third point is that the systems will monitor the fires, droughts, floods and volcanic eruptions, and the system will collect information about our earth weather system, oceans and about our atmosphere. So 3 to 4 points will be enough while writing answer on this topic of joint polar satellite system. So revise each and every point, especially it is an initiative of NASA and NOAA. And also we discussed what is polar satellite system. Now let's move to the another topic about merging the different departments and ministries. At present we have 51 ministries. Recently 2 ministries have been merged by Government of India. From the prelims point of view, you should know what are the 2 ministries merged, and at present we have 51 ministries. So recently the Ministry of Urban Development and Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation both merged to form a single ministry named as Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So at present we have 51 ministries after merging this. The advantage of merging these 2 ministries will ensure the cohesiveness in formulating the policies related to urban issues. Another important fact that came in the news is regarding the Golden Peacock Award. Golden Peacock Award is an important area for the prelims examination. It is a factual topic, so you should know some facts. Who started this award? It is the Institute of Directors in India started this award, and these awards are considered as the benchmark of the corporate excellence. So the Golden Peacock Award is given in the area of corporate excellence. Corporate Excellence. Who got this award for the year 2017? Indian Railways Organization for Alternate Fuel. Indian Railways Organization for Alternate Fuel has received the Golden Peacock Award for its eco-innovation. Eco-innovation means instead of using the fossil fuel like diesel for locomotive, the organization using the environment friendly CNG gas for moving the train. That's why the organization got Golden Peacock Award. Now let's discuss the last factual point in this video lecture is Aigar Setu. Aigar Setu is the app launched by Central Board of Direct Taxes. So first point, it is an app. Second point, it is launched by Central Board of Direct Taxes. Third point, what is the objective? By using the app, we can pay the taxes easily and we can apply for PAN card easily and we can trace the DDS. These points will be enough on the Aigar Setu. That's all about important topics we discussed in this video lecture. Hope you like this video lecture and please share this video lecture with your friends who are preparing for the IAS examination. Also download our Android application from the Google Play Store. Go to the Google Play Store and search as a SVR IAS where you can find our app so that whenever we post new video lectures, new quiz, you will get instant notification so that you can attend the test. Thank you for watching this video lecture and all the best for your exam preparation.